In today's uncertain world, the threat of economic collapse looms larger than ever. Taking proactive steps can help secure your financial future and essential resources. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Create a budget to identify necessary expenses and cut non-essentials. Next, establish an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will serve as a lifeline during turbulent times. Additionally, consider diversifying your investments. Instead of relying solely on stocks or a single currency, explore real estate, precious metals, and cryptocurrencies as potential safeguards. Stockpile essential resources such as food, water, and medical supplies. Aim for at least a 3-month supply of non-perishable food items and clean drinking water. Focus on self-sufficiency by learning skills like gardening, hunting, and basic first aid. These capabilities will provide not only sustenance, but also resilience. Finally, build a support network with like-minded individuals. Sharing resources, knowledge, and skills can enhance survival chances. By preparing now, you can face an economic crisis with confidence and security, ensuring your and your family's well-being in uncertain times.